हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, YourPedia ग्लोबल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। मैं हूं जितेंद्र त्यागी। एज ऑल ऑफ यू नो दैट वी हैव स्टार्टेड दिस सीरीज दैट इज रिलेटेड टू quantitative aptitude section of your GRE exam. Okay, we are mainly focusing on GRE exam in which I take aptitude section actually. Okay, so in this series we are solving different relevant questions strictly based on the pattern of your GRE exam. Okay, so in each lecture I solve 5 important questions. So this is our 4th lecture today, right? And if you follow all the lectures, then you will get clear idea about what type of questions are asked in GRE exam. Okay, and you will find a lot of different questions. Okay, so if you are preparing for a GRE exam, then it will also help you, it will boost your preparation actually in aptitude section, because 170 marks are very important in this aptitude section, right? So let us see what questions today we have taken. So this is our first question, basic question, strictly based on GRE pattern, right? So just try to solve it and then check my answer. I will explain you the solution. First you have to try. Okay, so now let me explain. In this problem it is given that these two sides are parallel to each other. Okay, this is 90-degree symbol and x and y both are in degrees. This is 40-degree. So we have to find the value of y minus x. Okay, this angle is y, this angle is x. We have to find y minus x, right? So I am redrawing this circuit here. Okay. So this is the triangle, right angle triangle we have, and these two are parallel. Okay, these two are parallel, and since these two are parallel, okay, these two are parallel, so this is a transversal actually, this line is a transversal. Okay, so this angle and this angle actually both are what? Both are corresponding angles. You should know the meaning of alternate angles, corresponding angles, opposite angles, all properties you must remember. Okay, so if it is 40-degree, obviously this is also 40-degree, this is 40-degree. Okay, now if this is 40-degree and this is 90-degree, so we know that in a triangle sum of all its interior angles is equal to 180-degree. So 40 plus 90 plus this x is equal to 180. So obviously x is equal to 50. So we will write x equal to 50-degree. Okay, now straight angle, we all know that straight angle is 180-degree. So this total straight angle is 180-degree. Okay, this is 180-degree. If it is 40, so remaining is how much? This remaining angle is 140. Okay, 180 minus 40, so it is 140. Okay, so this is our y equal to 140. Now they are asking the value of y minus x. So y minus x is equal to, y is equal to 140. So y minus x is equal to 140 minus 50, that is 90. Okay, so y minus x is equal to 90. You have to write answer 90. Clear? Now let us see second question. So here whenever we compare two quantities, we have 4 options A, B, C, D, all of you know. If this quantity is greater than this quantity, our answer is option A. If this quantity is greater than this quantity, our answer is option number B. If both are equal, our answer is C. if sometimes this is greater than this, other time this is greater than this, or sometimes they may be equal also, so then we say that no relationship can be established. Okay, so D is the right answer in that case. So you are given two data sets and you have to compare their standard deviations. So which standard deviation is more? Which data set has more standard deviation? This you have to find. Just try to get the answer, write your answer in your notebook, then I will explain you. Okay, so now let me explain you. So standard deviation is actually square root of variance, right? Now variance is what? It indicates the spread. More variance means data is more spread. Less variance, less standard deviation means data is concentrated. Okay, so here we have two data sets. We can see that these two are same. Okay, if we draw the data set on a number line, if we draw this data set on a number line, okay, and we also draw this on the number line, we can see that here we have more spread because one is more left to 2 and 23 is more right to 21. Okay, so this is more spread, more variance, so more standard deviation. Okay, this has less standard deviation because it is more concentrated as compared to this data set, right? So our answer will be quantity B is greater than quantity A, so option number B. So such question which you can visualize by looking at the data set clearly, you can get the idea about standard deviation. You need not to compute the standard deviation. ओके, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन को कंप्यूट करने का जीआरई में जरूरत नहीं होता है आपको. बाय लुकिंग द डाटा सेट यू कैन चेक. ओके, बट इफ यू स्टिल वांट टू कंप्यूट, देयर इज वन फॉर्मूला that is sigma square variance of a data set, okay, is equal to E of x square or minus E of x whole square. Okay, however you need not to apply this formula in GRE exam because directly you can check. Okay, but still you should know the formula. Variance is equal to this one. What is this E of x square? It is mean of squares of the observations. Okay, we have observations, so we will compute their squares and then we will take the average. This will be E of x square, right? Now what is E of x? It is average or mean of the observations. So we will compute the mean of these observations and then we will make it square. Now we will take this difference. It will give us the variance. Now standard deviation is sigma. We will take the square root of this, then we will get the standard deviation. Okay, so using this formula also you can make the computations. And suppose I take one example here. We have this data set. Okay, these are the data points suppose, and here we have this data set. We have two data sets like this one and this one. So in which there is more scattering, data is more scattered. Oh, everyone can see that this data is more scattered, means more variance, right? These are concentrated, so less standard deviation, less variance. Now let us see next question, question number 3. So one important point I want to tell all of you that circle is very important chapter in GRE exam. Okay, so you should know all important points regarding circle. Area of the circle, perimeter of the circle, sector of the circle, segments of the circle, arc length. Okay, every important property of circle you must remember because they generally ask questions based on circle, right? So here we have taken one example and you just try to find out the answer. I will explain then. Okay, so now I am going to explain you the concept of this problem. They are asking perimeter of the sector ABCO. Okay, ABCO. What is the perimeter? Okay, so perimeter is this total length, right? This is the perimeter. So this is the radius 14. This is also radius 14. So 14 plus 14. Okay, we have 14 plus 14 or plus. Now we have to compute this arc length, this one, okay, plus this, and this angle is given as 140. Okay, AOC is 140 degree. This is 140 degree. Okay, so we know that if we take the entire angle, complete angle, if we take 360 degree, it will give us the whole perimeter. Arc length will be 2 pi r. 360 degree angle gives 2 pi r. So 1 degree central angle, 1 degree gives the arc length 2 pi r upon 360. So 140 degree is equal to 140 degree will give us the arc length. This arc length equal to 140 upon 360 into 2 pi r. 2 pi or into r. What is r? R is radius, that is 14. Okay. So we have to compute this and then approximate answer we have to provide. Okay. So we can see that 0 and 0 get cancelled, and we have this 2. Okay, we have this 2. So this makes 18 here. Now we cancel this 14 also, we get 7 and here 9. So now what we have? Okay, we have after this what we have here. I'm writing. So 7 upon 9. Okay, we have 7 upon 9 multiplied by pi. Pi is 22 upon 7. Okay, or into this 14. 7 cancelled. So equal to 308 upon 9. Okay. So now this we have to write here 308 upon 9. 308 upon 9. So 14 plus 14, 28, or plus, how much is this equal to? 9 से डिवाइड करेंगे 308 को. So 9 3 is 27. Okay. So we will get 38, then 4. 9 4 is 36.2, 34.2 something. Okay. So this will be equal to 62.2 something, which is approximately equal to 62. So this B is the right answer. Okay. Among the all options, it is nearest to 62. So this will be the right answer. Now let us calculate, let us solve next question number 4. So you have to provide your answer in this box. Okay, so now let me explain. Company X can pave 500 feet of sidewalk in 6 hours. So how much in 1 hour? Okay, for X in 1 hour, how much feet it can pave? So 500 upon 6. And in 9 hours, how much it can pave? So multiplied by 9. So 9 upon 6 or into 500. Okay. Now similarly for Y, company Y, in 1 hour, how much feet it can pave in 1 hour? In 8 hours, it is paving 1000 feet. Okay. So in 1 hour, it will be 1000 divided by 8. In 9 hours, how much? In 9 hours, 9 upon 8 into 1000. Okay. So now what they are asking? They are asking how many more yards of sidewalk can company Y pave in 9 hours than company X? So they are asking this minus this actually, okay. So this 9 is common, we can take 9 common, and 500 also can be taken common, 9 into 500. Then we have 2 upon 8, that is 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 6. Okay. So it is 9 into 500 into LCM is 12. So 3 minus 2. So 1 upon 12. Okay. So this is 9 upon 12 into 1 500. Okay, so equal to 125 into 3, 375. Just check the answer. Nine into 500 upon 6 by x and 9 into 1000 upon 8 by y. Okay. So this 9 into 500 we have taken common. So 2 upon 8, that is 1 upon 4, or minus this is 1 upon 6 we have taken, right. So LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. So this is 1 upon 12. So 9 into 500 into 1 upon 12. Okay. Now we have cancelled out 3. So 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. 4 से divide करेंगे 125 और into 3. So 375 will be the right answer. Now let us see next question number 5. If the hypotenuse of an isosceles right angle triangle is this, what is the area of the triangle, right? So area is very important in GRE exam. Definitely always we get question from area. It may be area of square, area of circle, area of rectangle, area of anything, okay, but generally they ask questions from area. Area of triangle is also very important, okay. So we have isosceles right triangle. So isosceles right triangle means these two sides are equal. So say x, x. Hypotenuse is 7 root 2. Okay. So clearly x square plus x square equal to 7 square into 2. So 2x square equal to 7 square into 2. So x square equal to 7 square. So x equal to 7. So this is 7 actually. Okay. So we get 7, 7. Now what is the area of the triangle, right angle triangle? It is half into base into height. Half into 7 into 7, 49 upon 2, so 24.5. So A is the right answer. So this type of question they ask generally, okay. These are not very tough questions. If you have the basic concept in your mind, you are able to solve the questions in exam, you are able to get a very good score. Even 170 you can get, 165 plus you can easily get. Okay, so you have to target up to 170, right? So now I am ending this lecture and we will come with one more lecture in the next class. Okay, please solve all those who are watching this lecture first time, please solve all the questions which I have already solved in the previous lectures. Okay, so this is 4th lecture, previously 3 lectures are also available on our YouTube channel, right? Okay, all the best.